Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be solving another problem, that is to modify columns. Problem statement is a company intends to give its employees a pay rise. So we have to write a solution to modify the salary column by multiplying each salary by 2. For that, we will simply set our employee's salary as double of the existing salary. Then we will return the employees. Let me quickly run it. That was all for today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.